Guys, it's Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. And I know a lot of you want to go abroad and do your media studies. And you have been asking me question that please tell us which university is good and where we can do media studies. So what I'll be doing is we'll be coming up with the videos wherein we'll be talking about the top 5 countries wherein most of the Indians prefer to go, like UK, USA, Canada, New Zealand, Australia. But this video is specifically about UK, wherein a lot of you might be searching that which college is good. UK is one of the top option for most of the Indians because a lot of Indians definitely there. And yes, it is giving you work visa after your what do you say, once you complete your graduation or post graduation. It allows you certain period of time that you can stay there and work, which is very important because you will be definitely paying in pounds, which is really difficult to recover that much amount of money if you straight away come back to India after your studies. Let me tell you the few common things about these 5 universities. All the 5 universities are the government affiliated universities. All of the 5 universities definitely give you scholarship. All you need to have your 12th standard mark sheet with the basic percentage criteria. You have to clear your IELTS with a minimum score of 6.0. So these all are the undergraduate program which is straight after your 12th. The minimum duration is of 2 years and the maximum duration is of 4 years. Further in detail, Genevieve will give you college wise that what are the requirement, where is the college, what are the courses. So let's start with the further details.
Hey guys, this is Genevieve and here we have 5 colleges in the UK where you can study your media bachelor's. And the very first university is Northumbria University. It is located in Newcastle and the course fees is about 15 to 16 lakhs in Indian rupees. The best part about this university is that it offers part-time jobs, it offers internships. There are also career counselings that are taking place in the university. Other than that, it is a 3 to 4 years course. Now it depends if you are taking on what kind of course you are opting for. Every course is going to be different, but in general, media related courses are 3 to 4 years in this university. Now some options for your course related to media could be animation, it could be mass communication, film and television, and there are several other options that you can opt for. The second university you have is Edinburgh Napier University. It is located in Edinburgh, Scotland. The fee structure is about 14 to 15,000 pounds, that is 15 lakhs approximately. And it does have placements for job for students. And it also offers different workshops for every course that you take. Other than that, you have English and film, you have journalism, you have mass communication, television, several other courses in media. It is a 4 years course particularly in this particular university. The third university we have is University of Hertfordshire. It is located in England and the course is about 12 to 13 lakhs Indian rupees. You do get part-time job offers over there and you have minimal placements, that's why it ranks on third, but you do have good opportunities. It is a 3 to 4 year course depending on what course you are choosing. The courses are like journalism, you have creative writing, you have mass communications, media, you have creative writing and media as well. So there are several other options you can opt for. The fourth option you have is University of Bedfordshire. It is located in England and again 13 to 15 lakhs is the course fee. You do have placement offers there and it is a 2 to 3 years course depending on what course you are taking. Again, you have acting, film and TV, film production, media production and many more. And the fifth one that we have here is Manchester Metropolitan University. It is located in Manchester and it has a course fee of around 17 to 18 lakhs and it is a 4 years course. Every course in media here in this university is a 4 years course. You have press and media, you have film and media, you have media production. All these courses are BA honors or basic undergraduate courses. It offers career development. It also has placements and workshops.
Guys, I hope this information was pretty useful for you all. As you can see, it was not the detailed information about one particular college. It was an overview that these are the courses that you can look for. But as we have picked the universities wherein there are a lot of Indians already studying and they have actually helped them to get placement, and there's a lot of other opportunities which comes via this universities to them. So for further detail, what we can do is we are sharing a link of all the 5 colleges in our description box. You can always, go to this website, check for more details at what are the options available for the scholarship. As we mentioned, there are scholarships available, but all the criterias and everything will change every year, and it is different from each and every university. So definitely go and check out for that. So guys, as we have already mentioned in a previous video, that if you need a customized plan or a researched data on any particular country or university, you can definitely write into us on our email ID, which is contactmediamentor@gmail.com, or book your counseling session on the mobile number which is given in the description box below. So guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a lot of such informations on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.